So the concept of virtues is about a quality, a characteristic, something like somebody that's courageous, wise, intelligent, kind, compassionate, right? Generous. These are virtues. They're qualities. They can be learned and adopted. They can be passed to us from our culture, but they are also carried in memory in our DNA. And our DNA is a recipe book of characteristics, traits that we chose our family line for their positive traits. And we chose the recipe for our body from a really huge kitchen. It's kind of like cooking dinner in this way. What is possible within the DNA could be so many different meals, but your soul wanted a certain flavor, a certain experience. And so it looked at all that was offered to it, and it took a dash of this and a dab of that, and a cup of this. Okay. And then that activated. And as we've grown, more activates. And as we face challenge, we go back into the cupboard and see, do we need an extra pinch of salt here? So it's not something that you chose your DNA before birth and that's what you're stuck with. We are always going back into the cupboard as we go through our life. And we have a cupboard that is because of what family line we chose, how they lived, what lifestyles they lived, where they lived, what characters and qualities they emulated, what abilities they created and stepped into.